In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in a Confluence table. Whether you're organizing data, creating project plans, or just keeping track of information, knowing how to merge cells in Confluence can make your tables a lot clearer and more efficient. Now, let's dive right into the steps. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like to use. Once that's up, you'll want to head over to Confluence. Simply type Confluence into your search bar and hit Enter. This will bring you to their main page or the search results where you can click directly into Confluence. Next, if you haven't already, you'll need to log in to your Confluence account. If you don't have one, no worries. Signing up is straightforward, and best of all, it's free to get started. Just follow the on-screen prompts to either log in or create a new account with ease. After you're logged in, locate the Confluence page where you'd like to merge cells within a table. You'll need to put the page into edit mode. To do this, just click on the Edit button. This unlocks the page for you to make changes and modify the content as you see fit. Now comes the part where we actually get to merge those cells. Begin by clicking and dragging your cursor across the cells you want to merge. You can select multiple cells in the same row or even across different rows and columns depending on your needs. This step is important because only the cells you highlight will be affected. After you've highlighted the cells, a small icon will appear. It looks like a down arrow and is referred to as the Cell Options icon. You'll find this at the top right corner of any of the selected cells. Go ahead and click on that icon to access the options available for those cells. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to look for the Merge Cells option. Click on Merge Cells, and just like that, the highlighted cells will combine into one large cell. This feature is incredibly useful for creating headers or section dividers in your tables. And there you have it. Merging cells in a Confluence table is as simple as that. With these steps, you can make your tables not only more organized, but also easier for others to understand at a glance. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with your newly merged cells in Confluence.